Unong yalam ke UDP upol Lyngdoh ula Kyntait ya ke Jingkynnoh bo unet Rung Npp ke NPP bat Ukraine sya be kidei tang ki jing mudder. Upol Lyngdoh uong ba kinu ki jing hapo ke parti dei ban yakren hapo ke parti hi. Updiang ru badan ki benta hapo ke UDP ki bas ngau khia halor ke jingpen kha thamai ni ke reshuffle hinrei ke ni kan long kamat ban yatai hapo ke parti. Upol Lyngdoh uloong bahak jingim san perthei jong ulong unong yakun bat umlong unong ino bat don jing thmu ban ino ya ke parti UDP.
I do not know where these are all conjectures and theories. It has not crossed my mind to leave the UDP because if there is any issue, I believe that such issues should be discussed internally within the party. Of course, there are various sections within the party which are not happy with the way that the reshuffle was handled by the party leadership. But these are matters which we will discuss internally. I insist on one point, which is that throughout my career in the political sphere, I've always been a fighter and never a quitter. I will not quit that easily.
Thank you.